Airwheel R6 is a smart motorcycle that allows free and casual travel in the city. It is not only small in size, but also able to travel flexibly in the streets and alleys. It is also designed with an electric folding body. The folding process is very simple. It only needs to press a button to make the main frame automatically shrink-expand, and then fold the handlebars to ride. It has 3 modes to choose from: electric vehicle mode, electric assist mode, and bicycle mode, which can be selected according to factors such as current endurance requirements and physical fitness. The top speed can reach 25 kilometers per hour. The battery adopts a pluggable design and is equipped with multiple batteries to achieve battery life upgrades. The battery life can be up to 100 kilometers in electric assist mode.